To transfer Google Photos directly to another account from your phone, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now, to transfer the Google Photos directly to another account from your phone, that you just need to open Google Photos on a device and make sure that you are already logged into your Google Photos account. So if you are not logged into your Google Photos account, then you won't be able to transfer it directly to the another account. So this is the homepage of Google Photos, where you'll see the various options on the bottom taskbar like Photos, Collection, Create, Search, and all of it. The best option of doing it is that you just need to open profile icon at the very top right, and from here you just need to open the photo settings at the very bottom of the page, and here you'll see the option of sharing like this. So click on the option of sharing, and under sharing you'll see the option of partner sharing, manage sharing activity, hide videos from motion photos, and all of it. You just need to click on the option of partner sharing at the very top right, and from here you just need to start the choosing dates, choose the photos which you want to share. So here you'll see the option of all photos, tap on it and click on the option of select partner. Now you just need to invite a partner to whom you want to share your photos, and from there you just need to tap the person and click on the option of confirm at the very bottom, and by doing all of it you'll be able to transfer the Google Photos from your account to another account directly. So that's it, that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.